Hi guys, in this step-by-step video I'm going to be showing you how you can add the tracking page inside your Shopify. Now all your customers, they will be able to track their packages or products inside your Shopify. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in a few seconds. Now by the way, everything here in this video is free. See, there is no like subscriptions or paying for anything. Everything is easy and free. Okay, now you want to click on, like, you just need to log in into your Shopify store, and then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store. Now all your customers, like I said, you will be able to track their orders inside your Shopify store. Now you just need to download this app. It's free. Again, everything mentioned in this video is free. There is no paid plan or anything like that. Now I want to search for this app. It's called Track 718. Okay, this is the name of the app. Click enter, and as you can see, the app doesn't show in the first results because this app is new, so it's not popular yet to show up in the first results. Okay, now you just need to scroll down a little bit. By the way, this is the name of the app. It's Track 718. Scroll down, and this is the name, this is the app exactly. It's called Track 718 Order Track and Email. Now I want to click on the app. Okay, make sure the logo is like it's the same. Okay, make sure everything looks as on your laptop. Now this is the app. You want to click on install. Now to use this app, it's very easy. I'm going to show you how you can use it in a few seconds. Now click again on install. All right, now as you can see, this is the app. Okay, so what you are going to do now, you just need to, if you have like multiple Shopify stores, you just need to toggle this on. As you can see, it's not hard. Okay, now in the store management section, you just need to click on store management, and you want to click on plugin description, and then you want to click on, as you can see, 4 steps. Copy the code. The step 1 is to copy this code. Okay, you want to click on copy code, go back to your Shopify. Okay, and then click on online store, click on pages. Okay, now you want to click in the top right, add page. Here the name of the title, it should be track your order. Okay, something like that. It doesn't always have to be the same sentence. As you can see, I like to use track your order so that customers will be able to see what's the title like so that they can click on the text so that they can track their order. Okay, I am going to show you how this works in a few seconds. Now I'm going to name it track your order. Now make sure you click on this show HTML. Okay, you want to click on it. All right, now where it says here, make sure it says here content. Now you just need to paste the code here. Click on save in the top. Make sure you don't forget to click on save. All right, now you want to click on navigation. Okay, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Navigation, and then you want to click on main menu. Sorry, here main menu, and then you want to click on add menu item. Here where it says name, it doesn't matter. Here where it says search or paste link, you want to search for products. I'm sorry, you want to click on pages. Click on track your order. Click add. Click on save menu here. Now all your customers will be able to track the order. As you can see in the top here, you have track your order. Click on it. Now they just have to paste the tracking number, and then they can track the order. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. As you can see, if they can on the product page, you will be able to see track your order. As you can see, you can name it whatever you want. If they click on that, you just have to paste the tracking number, click on search, and then you will be able to see the location of their item, if it's near destination country or not yet. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.